what did Charlie do with his time, and why did he spend so much time going to these college campuses? And I said, Charlie, it's a college campus. You've done it before. You've done it a million times. Why do you keep going? Why? It's the same clips, the same arguments over and over and over. And the kids, someone's good, someone's bad, whatever. And I realized something. I think, a piece that I was missing is that Charlie realized that the way to fight these things, the way to fight these phones, the way to fight the digital, online, virtual space was to force you, and I've gone with them, to be back in reality. Touch grass, touch campus, touch one another, be in the physical space together. Because when you're in the physical space, you're a human being.
Yeah.
When you're here, you are an internet-based identity. You can be the idea of Russell Brand or Charlie Kirk or Jack Posobiec or whoever, right? Candace Owens. You're the idea. You're just a two-dimensional representation of a human being. You are an index. You're a footprint, right? That's a footprint of the that was made by the actual individual on a screen, not the actual person themselves. So you're just seeing the footprint. You're not seeing the actual one. But when you do see the actual person in reality and you're connected to others around you that are in that actual physical space, now you're doing so in a way that's God intended. This,
yeah,
your phone is not. Now, imagine the power that comes together when all those people come together and you're proclaiming God's name. You're saying his name, you're praising him, or in fact, you're even praying together at the same time. And this is the greatest power that we have, to gather and proclaim his name, because and to worship our creator, to worship God, because if this is the highest and best use of our spiritual life together, this community, this communalism and community to worship God, this is the church. This is Sunday, or sometimes we go Saturday night. This is actually a way to fight back by getting more people to want to do that. You don't go because, it's Sunday morning and your mom says it's 9:00 and you have to get dressed to go. No, you go because God wants you to worship him, because God knows that if you make worship of God at the center of your life, then there is no one and there is nothing that can break between you and him and lead you astray down one of these false paths, whether it be communism, whether it be usury, whether it be pornography, none of them.
This weekend, you can join the 2-day AI Mastermind Workshop by Outskill, the world's first AI-focused education platform. It's happening this Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. on both days. I'll be there, baby. I've got to learn about AI. I'm sick and tired of arguing with ChatGPT, bloody thing, bloody little woke little liar. By just attending 16 hours with the expert mentors, learners from Outskill have built and shipped over 100 AI products with zero code and working revenue models of $3 to $4,000. Now, this training normally costs £895, but I've partnered with Outskill to give away 1,000 free seats exclusively for you, my community. Take advantage of it now. Click the link. Go get tooled up. That's nearly $900,000 worth of free training for everyone. By the way, it's rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. It's highly credible. Now, what makes this different? Firstly, it's just a 16-hour short commitment, which is best suited for someone with a busy professional schedule like me. I'm busy. I ain't got time around learning AI. I'll just shoot them robots. You also get lifetime access to Outskill's exclusive paid AI community to grow alongside 5,000 plus AI first professionals. And also their AI learning dashboard is super seamless to navigate, which enhances your overall learning experience. Over 10 million people have attended this training in the past year across different industries. Now it's your turn. During the 2-day live training, you'll learn at least 10 powerful AI tools, prompt engineering, automating your workflows, and building AI products without code. Limited seats are available. They're filling up fast. Grab yours via the link in the description. So click the link and join the WhatsApp community.
Thanks for watching the video. Have a look at this one over here, or join us Monday, Wednesday and Friday on Rumble.